Guess who's back? Are you guessing? No, not your dad who's been missing for 20 years. Me, I am back. Guys, I've been out for a long time. It's been like 2 weeks or so, and I'm not even sorry because I've been making Cyberpunk 2077 the best thing I've ever done in my life, and the hugest. You may think like, mate, you've been in the toilet, you made huge shit, and that was the biggest thing that you've made. No, this sample pack is the biggest thing I've ever made. So, we are back with the full force, man. Take a sip of coffee. Hell yeah, and then let's just go. Yesterday, I released a Cyberpunk 2077 sample pack full of 6 sounds, and today we're gonna use this sample pack and make a tune. So, without the further ado, let's just go. So, if you have the pack, there's a folder called Killer Soundscapes, and in this folder, they're cinematic, really epic soundscapes, and we're gonna start with one of them. 100 BPM is good. So in the sample pack, what we did is that we have drum loops that are separate from top loops. So that gives you a lot of control. You can combine drum loops with top loops. You can make so many different combinations and you just have more control. Yeah, maybe put drums a little bit later. In synth section, you can find a lot of lead one-shots. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna put one of the one-shots into the sampler. And you can use them in a sampler just to play melodies. Okay, I'll add a lot of reverb on it. That was kind of cool. Make a new track, and now we are gonna go into the basses, bass loops, bass one shots, and find a Reese bass. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna cut this part. Put it like in the background. Okay, Secret VST, Secret Souls. It's a drip, I know, I have to update this VST. 2 clicks and it's perfect, hell yeah. Oh no, 3 clicks, oh no. But hey, actually that was a drag, that wasn't click. I'm still dragging it. Oh no, I clicked the 3rd time. Ah, it's not perfect? What? Bam. And then it's gonna be a drop. I mean, like, I was like an impact. So let's go into drums, BuildUp Drums, and there's a lot of sick build-ups. Yeah, this one is totally my favorite, so I'm just gonna put it here. And then once you're done with this, you can go into fills section and you can pick some fills. Hey, this one fits. To make a sick transition, we need to have an impact. 85 impacts. Maybe take this one, but I'm gonna reverse that. So I'm just gonna do like a sweep up here. Yeah, so I'm gonna duplicate that, put this guy here, right? Okay, we need a riser here. Yeah, I'm gonna switch that fill. Oh, yes. As you can see, the fill has like this section, and then the end of this is like also a sweep up, so it just makes the transition to the drop much smoother. I'm gonna layer that riser with the sweep up. Hell yeah. Yeah, this one is gonna be sick because as you can see, it has it goes down and it goes up. So it's gonna be really good for a build up. So I'm just gonna pitch this to F. so I'm gonna consolidate that soundscape thing, go into clip and transposition, and we're gonna slowly pitch this up. So we want this to be +12 at the end and just slowly pitch. Okay, so we need more elements. So let's maybe make a drop, right? So in the cyberpunk genre, we have kick, snare, pattern goes like this, kick, kick, snare. So I'm just gonna put a kick right here. Let's see, so we're doing kick, and the second kick is gonna be quieter because we're gonna be layering with this, with a snare, and then a snare. Ooh, hell yeah. Da-da-da-da. We have to tune the kick. And tune the snare. Put frick clip on the master. So now the fun part begins. We're gonna be arranging some basses. Hell yeah. So go into basses folder. We can either do bass one shots or we can take a bass loop. I don't wanna like use just a bass loop because I wanna make some like, you know, kind of chop up things. So we have things like that, like this. Oof. So this one is from the preview pack. But there's much more. Okay, so many cool basses. This one is my favorite. Oof, just gonna use the bass one shots. Ooh, that's cool. I love these basses, they're so sick. Just like a slap house bass type of thing. Put this like a little bit out of the grid, like here. Dun, dun, dun. Let's take this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna make like a simple rhythm. Now another fart part. I didn't say fart. Now another fun part begins. Bro, take a glitch and like just chop it up, you know? Like put another one here. Oof. Yeah, layering different basses, as you can see, like making some like putting one bass and then another one and then another one and like doing these cool sections with them. That's really fun. It makes the drop section much more interesting. How about I don't know, chop this up like this. Take this one. One. Oh no, battery in my camera is about to die, no. Ooh, how about I duplicate it? So we get like da-da-da-da. No! Why did you die? Oh no. So I'm gonna take a break, load the camera, and I'm gonna be back in like a second. Because you will not even notice because it's just a video. Hell yeah. Boom! Guess who's back? What the hell, bro? Let's listen, cause I don't remember what is here, bro. Boom, full screen. Bro, I forgot about it. So, in the meantime, kind of like did a little bit of the song. I decided to mute the section that I made and then just do some simple rhythm, you know? And I used the ending of the part that we made. This is a part of the bass loop. So I chopped this up and I came up with this melody. Pretty simple thing. And then I was like, okay, at the beginning of each hit, I went like, deh, and I recorded this thing. It's kind of cool, you know? But we have to post-process it. In the sample pack, there's, if you go to synths, if you go to stops, there's really sick stops. By the way, if you have something like this, and then like play it without the context, you get a pretty cool section. So what I did, actually, I copied this whole thing here, and you can have it as the own section. That's kind of cool for like the ending here. Like this, I guess. Let's see. And it just stops at the end, and then we go and find the field. There's like and then the second part is gonna be filled with top loops. Cut this base here, and what I want to do is I want to just generate some more ideas. Destroy. This is a sick fill. Yeah, leave that. Yeah. Ooh, hell yeah. It's like a house thing, but actually not. Maybe? Ooh, hell yeah. Ooh, hell yeah. That's sick. You know, I think, yeah, let's do this. Let's go. So, I want this to be 2 semitones higher, but this is in 100 BPM, and we cannot make this high quality pitching this up because there's gonna be a lot of like artifacts and stuff. So I'm gonna open RX7. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this sample, put it into RX7. I'm just gonna go into time and pitch. I'm just gonna change, well, I'm not gonna do any stretching. I'm gonna shift semitones by 2 up. And wait, is it gonna keep the, now I'm just gonna overwrite the original file. This is before and this is after. Before, after. Yeah. Hell yeah. So I'm gonna put this here. I don't want the sub bass. Yeah, I think this is cool. What I'm gonna do now, a little mastering thing going on, So we can either put a thermal in the master, which is completely insane idea, but it's gonna work. Or we can just put ozone. I think I'm gonna go with thermal this time. See, this is after, before. Adding that excitement and distortion, it just changes the game, makes your track alive. Like, if your track is good, but it's not really bouncy, when you add that extra distortion, it just makes the whole thing flow much better. I don't know why, it just does work. Yeah, this one definitely. Let's put it at 69. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Okay, so let's listen to the whole thing. Ooh, hell yeah. What we could do, we could just do a little bit of the sausage here. Destroy. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. If you wanna grab the sample pack, check out the link in the description. Go to the website, check out the preview of samples. If you want me to make a track breakdown, let me know. Have a nice day and see you in the next one. Wingardium Leviosa, dude. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can cite that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversample.us for some high quality samples, presets, and free sounds.